Alright guys, so on today's episode we're gonna go metal detecting on the beach at somewhere called Punta Esmeralda, which is in Playa del Carmen. And it's actually a beach where there's a cenote right at the edge. So you can see over there. I'll take you guys in for a closer look. It's kind of like a kiddie pool almost at this point. So you can see there is all cenote, and it's actually looks like it's connecting to the water almost over there. You can tell this is where like the parents take their kids to play. It's very shallow and safe. So you can see this is a very popular beach for locals. We're actually changing spots. The police just talked to us and said there's a bunch of delinquents, criminals back there that are waiting for you to go in the water and steal all your shit. So we're gonna go somewhere a little less sketchy. Anyways, welcome to Mexico. Just wanted to show you the reality of living here. You do get a lot of sargassum sometimes, which you can see is like this seaweed that's rots on the beach and smells pretty bad, and then it gets in the water as well. So it's not all sunshine and rainbows, but it kind of is actually, because if you just go down a little bit further to the beach, it's gone. But just wanted to share a little bit what it's like to deal with this stuff. All right, got a signal here, kind of high, 43. Let's see what it is. Okay. I'll get the pinpointer out so we can find exactly what's going on. And it's a bottle cap. Here we go. All right, so here we got a signal that's about, I think it read like a 2 or a 3. So normally these things are iron, but here in Mexico the coins actually ring up right in that range, between 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna give it a shot and maybe we can find a couple of pesos. As you can see here, it's just 50% peso coin, but you really have to dig in all metal mode here, because all of those low iron readings that normally get thrown out are pretty much where all the coins are here. Okay, here we got a signal that's a 26, which is like almost 100% of the time bottle tap. But because of the way I am, I still dig it. Typical. All right, we got a 42 here. And it's a higher conductive range, so maybe it's something good, but most likely it's a bottle cap. Let's find out. And oh wow, it's a 10 peso coin. Cool. That's good to know these ring up higher. Okay, got another 42 here, and because I found that 10 pesos there, I'm gonna keep taking around this area. Okay, so I definitely got it. Let's see what it is. Look, another one. Okay, I got a weird signal here. Let's take it and see what it is. And okay. Okay, it's vibrating over here, and it's a bottle cap, barrilito. Yeah, the problem with metal detecting in Mexico is that people are drinking a lot of cerveza on the beach, and they leave the bottle caps everywhere, so same old song and dance, you know. So here I was, metal detecting. I'm right by this wall here, and I got a signal that was a little bit weird, and guess what I dug up? A 5/16 socket. Not the desired 10 millimeter, but pretty funny. Actually, I find a lot of these, and sometimes in the cenotes as well. So it just goes to show that whenever you lose one, it ends up at a beach in the Caribbean. These walls here have a bunch of rebar in them, which is obviously metal. So when you're detecting near them, because obviously people are sitting over here, so you really want to check these areas because there's a lot of chances people are dropping stuff. But what you want to do is you want to just bring the sensitivity way down, and it will give you a signal when you get close to the wall. But otherwise, you can get used to that one and ignore it, and try to hear for any irregularities. Okay, so I got a signal here, and I can hear some chatter from the wall, but it has definitely a different tone to it, you know. So let's dig this. Probably a bottle cap, but here we go. Okay, and we got it. So let's check it out. Rang up as a 28, which is generally a bottle cap, but I like to dig all the signals. Like I said, it's probably a bottle cap, but you never know. Could be gold next time. Okay, here I got a signal that looks like iron, but I just found a bunch of coins along this line here, so maybe we get lucky and it's another coin. And it looks like we got it on the first try, so let's give it a closer look. And it's a coin. Okay, I got another iron signal. But just like earlier, I think it might be a coin given that we just found a bunch along this line. Okay, so let's get the pinpointer out and see what it is. It's a coin. I think this is 1 peso. Cool. I'll take it. All right, I got a high signal here, 45. Let's see what it is. Aha. It's a beer can. Alright guys, so I just wanted to go over all the things I found metal detecting at the beach today. So let's start off with the trashy bits. As you can see, I found a ton of beer bottle caps. I mean, who would have thought people drinking beer at the beach in Mexico? That really is a shocker for me. And you can see I even found like a top of a beer can, and I found that right at the edge of the water. And it threw up like a pretty good signal, so I was kind of excited. And you know, you always find cool stuff right at the edge of the water, but a little bit of a disappointment, but whatever. Actually, I found way more of these pull tabs. I think I keep calling them bottle caps in the video, but they're pull tabs. I don't know. And they always ring up as like a 26 or a 27. So every time I get that, I'm like so hesitant to dig it, but I dig it anyways because I've heard people finding gold and rings and silver and earrings in that range as well. So, and if we move along here, some of my favorite finds, I'll start with the coins because you can never really complain about coins, especially around here. It's perfect for parking money. And let's see, so we have two 10 peso coins, which ring up pretty high. I was saying earlier that Mexican coins ring up in the iron range, which is very true, but these 10 with the kind of gold bits along the edges ring up a lot higher. And the ones down here all ring up really low, and they're still worth finding, so it's definitely worth hunting in all metal mode because of that. And now for my favorite find of the day, although I found it with my eyes because it's made of plastic, is this My Little Pony bank card. And it is just adorable. I think they already canceled the card because I tried to buy something at the store and they said my card did not work. So I think they got to their banking app right away and made sure to cancel this one. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed coming along with me in metal detecting the beautiful beach in Playa del Carmen. And if you made it this far, I really want you guys to go like, subscribe, and give my channel some love. It really helps me to grow and to keep putting this content out there. Until the next time, take care.